Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Gravy Flips, where we discuss the buying and reselling of furniture, video games, and collectibles. In today's video, I have another interesting video game haul. This is the second half to a collection that I made a video about a couple days ago. I also have the results for a giveaway that we just did. This Marvel vs. Capcom game has found itself a new home. I ended up giving away 2 games because we had 51 people in the sweepstakes, but congratulations to our 2 winners. Marcus Hewitt, you won the Railroad Tycoon, and Mike Garden, you won the Marvel vs. Capcom. So, congratulations to you 2. If you want to be in another sweepstake, we will be doing a giveaway at the end of the month if we get to 500 subscribers. And all you have to do to win this Fat Pack Grand Theft Auto 3 PS2 Red Label with one of the games sealed, it's worth about $100. All you have to do is write Grand Theft Auto 3 in the comments below and make sure you're a subscriber. And when we hit 500 subscribers at the end of the month, if we get there, I will be giving it away on my dime and shipping it out to one of my awesome subscribers. We hit the 305 subscriber marks, so thank you guys so much for being such an inspiring group of people and community. And here's another video game haul that I'm going to talk to you guys about. Okay everybody, this is a collection that I paid $200 for, and this is the second half of the one that I got over the weekend. To start things off, we have a PS1 Mini that they're pretty fun to see. Those go for about $75. We have an Xbox 360 Slim, which sell for around $80. So those two together pretty much recuperate most of the value of that collection. We got Need for Speed Most Wanted on the 360. Grand Theft Auto 4, and I'm glad to see that there's some Xbox 360 games because those are actually going up in value recently. We have a Sega Genesis, and under it a Sega Genesis 16-bit, as well as a Nintendo Wii console that really needs to be cleaned up. We're looking at around $300 to $400 in consoles there with the PS2 Slim that's on the that's on the front of the table. In addition, I talked about the value of PS1 games going up. And this is one of the games I talked about in my most recent video game market analysis. PS1 games are the highest increasing console. So games like the 007 one that you see there, that's on a straight trajectory to the upside. And games like Siphon Fighter, Gran Turismo 2, even the sports games are all on an upward trajectory. If you haven't seen the video I made a couple days ago about the PS1 market, I'll link it down below. But the collection also included a Super Nintendo. It's a UN2 model, so it's not the UN3 that's worth around $150 because it has the one chip. But interestingly, I got the Super Nintendo Super Scope, and if you find these complete in the box, they go for around $100 to $150. It's a pretty cool little accessory that I haven't gotten often. I was excited to see that it came with the scope, what do you call that? The sensor. So this collection is pretty decent, and if you want to see the other half of the one that I made, the video that I made talking about the other half of the collection, just look up my most recent video game collection haul, and I'll go into depth there. So I paid around $200 for everything that you just saw. Fortunately, I realized that the NBA 2K11 for the PS3 was actually sealed, so that adds around $40 in value to the collection. So when I sit down and I add up the numbers, I paid $200 for this half of the collection. I added everything up, and there was about $640 in projected profit once I test everything and clean it all up and get it listed. So when I subtract the $200 that I paid from the $640 in expected value, that gives me a total profit of about $440 on this side of the collection. It's pretty cool to, make some extra side gravy to then go buy more video games or to reinvest in my business. But I hope you guys gained some value from this video, and I'll see you again on the next Gravy Flips. Thanks for joining me.